If you have a very big table in terms of size, number of columns or rows, and it is crossing the text width, in that case how you can adjust your size of the table or size of the columns or rows, let me show you. Suppose this is the table I have. Just click the right arrow, it will take you the table in the PDF. This is very big, so I want to adjust its column size. So instead of giving the begin tabular as a simply column, you need to change the column size by giving the size of the column as according to your size of the column, like 0.9 centimeter, 0.5 centimeter, 1 centimeter, or even more. So let me change this begin tabular to giving some size of the column. Yes, this table is adjusted now. This is how you can easily adjust your column size based on your elements in your column. So in this case the first column is size is 0.5 centimeter, second column is 0.9 centimeter, third is 1.3 centimeter, and others as given in the code. So the point is, this is how you can adjust.